Have to rest.
Natulog kami buong araw, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Okay, sir. Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, sir. Nitong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the, communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. So, ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So I guess this mga ano na ito what issues I would call them would hound me until the dying days of my life.
Okay. So, ano to, sir? So, they won't really stop.
Again?
So, talagang hindi sila titigil, sir?
No, as I remain, mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Siguro pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do. And what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow.
Alright.
Ganon kayo.
Sir, okay. Sir, does this bother you, sir? Itong mga naglutangang information na meron ng warrant sa inyo? Warrant of arrest?
Alam mo, ma'am, sa totoo lang, I have been in politics for almost nearly 30 years. Been mayor, lahat ng klaseng issue. Firstly as vice mayor, congressman, then as president. Hindi ko naman siya nasabi minamaliit ko. Pagyayabang yan eh. But it's almost an day in, day out, month long, year after year. It's has become an irritation, really. Especially if patanda ka na and you still have to deal with the same questions and issues until now. Pero I take it as part of my political life. Kasi nandyan I early on nagpasok ako sa gobyerno as a prosecutor that verily as early as ilang taon lang pumasok na ako sa politika.
Okay. Sir, kung sakali nga po na meron at kayo ay pasoman po, will you appear?
Again, ma'am.
If ever na meron nga po talaga, kung talagang totoo nga itong warrant of arrest ng mga lumutang, kung sakaling meron nga talaga, what's your plan po? Will you appear kung sakaling ipasoman po kayo, sir?
I would say that not really appear or non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. as a lawyer. Gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Okay, sir. So, suffice to say that you have been prepared for this po, Mr. President?
For the longest time. For the longest time since, as far as I can remember, maaga ako nung ilang years early on, so that to be around siguro, put it lightly, mga first 5 years, first term, second term, nandyan na yan. So, I have learned to deal with the problem directly, frontally, and walang pasikot-sikot.
All right.
I have
Sir?
been very frank all these years.
All right. Okay. Sir, aside from this po, sir, meron din pong i-final sa inyo sa DOJ na insight into sedition. Unang-una, what's your take on this po, sir, na kayo po ay na-file ng ganito, sir?
Is it the sedition ngayon?
That's different, sir. Aside from ICC, sir, meron din po, di ba, sir, may final din po sa inyo insight din sa DOJ?
Inciting to sedition? Wala akong alam yan. Ngayon lang. Alam ko na may plano na idemanda ako, pero specifics, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Yun naman sa ICC, matagal na yun. Whatever course it might turn to, I am ready for it. Kasi dumaan ako sa trabaho ko, ma'am, as an appointed elected official of the Republic. I do not there no excuses to give. I offer no apology. I did what I did because
Okay.
to continue, I said I did what I had to do kasi trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Whether or not it would run me down or push me up, it's too early and it for history to make the accurate count. Wala ako. I do not want to judge myself except that I answer the problem, the questions, whenever it crops up.
Alright. Okay. Sir, amidst all these, issues about your, the arrest warrant po ng ICC, pinag-uusapan dito ngayon, syempre, yung impeachment po ni VP. Is it true that are you really going to join his defense panel, Mr. President? In her, rather, defense counsel po. In her defense team.
Ma'am. Yes.
You still join, sir? Pero
Yes.
you want the defense, the lead counsel anymore, sir?
Well, I will deal with the multiple problems as they come along. And there will be a lot of them. But the basic issues remain the same.
Alright. Sir, nakapag-usap na po kayo ni VP?
She was beside me a few minutes ago, after dinner.
Alright. It's good to hear you had dinner together. Sir, ano pong pinayo niyo sa kanya, sir? If there's any po.
Na pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo. At tumakbo ka ng presidente. At continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am. Ngayon na lang. Of late. Because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem pa ulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sige, sundin mo na. And for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang magpatuloy ng sumagot. At kung mapresidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko. At okay ka. Huwag kang matakot, sabi ko, makulong ka.
So did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Anong particularly, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha po ni VP Sara para mag-make okay talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyang salita mo, sir, kaya ano eh. Anyway, sir,
tama yan.
sir, napag-usapan niyo pa ni VP about sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniniwala yung babae niya ng payo. At saka hindi naman interesado yan kung ma-impeach talaga siya o impeachment ay proceeding. The trial itself, you should not worried a bit. I don't know, but makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond. But as always, she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life, a new beginning. Ganon yan siya eh. So, pagka ganun ang kausap po ang tao, hindi mo mabigyan ng payo. What for? Hindi naman nakikinig.
Okay. Sir, what made you change your heart? Kasi alam namin nung una, lagi niyo pong dinidiscourage si Ma'am Inday na wag talagang tatakbo kasi you've been there. Alam niyo, ayaw niyo siyang mahirapan. What made you change your heart and mind and now you're convincing your daughter to run na po for president? Why the change of heart po?
Para yung she truly loves her country. Dapat niyang gawin. At this time, at this point in time, when paalis na ako at patanda na, at maybe soon, so sooner than expected, I will make my exit as a politician.
And then how did she respond, or what was her reply po to you, sir?
I think si Inday has become a political animal. Kasi lolo niya for the longest time, governor of Davao Province yung isa pa. Parang pumasok na sa subconscious level niya yung politika. Tapos ako, tagal ko sa politika.
Okay. Sir, may I just go back po doon sa ICC, nung pumutok po pala ito kahapon, sinabi po ng Malacanang na nagre-ready po sila for any eventualities. Meron nga po bang dapat